Remote power control is one of the most important and time-saving features for dedicated servers. The administrator is not always present at the data center in order to manually switch off a given machine, but thanks to the remote start function, it can be done in our system. In order to configure the option of the remote power control, select the Settings option from the Actions menu located in the Server Summary view. There are several tabs in the setup form, and in this case, you have to go to the Power Control Settings. In this section, you can specify the first and second method of power control. The default method for a dedicated server is the IPMI control. The system executes the relevant command remotely using a specially constructed IPMI tool command. Another method of remote control is management through the PDU outlet. If your device is connected to a selected PDU outlet, the outlet will perform the remote actions using the SNMP protocol. You can see how to connect your server to the PDU in our other videos. After you've configured the remote power control option, you can go to the Server Summary view. In the upper section, you can find the Power Control button containing such actions as Power On, Shutdown, and Reboot. After selecting the action, the system will test the remote control of the device based on the previous settings. If the first method fails, the system will automatically run the second method that you've selected.